Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pick up dandelions in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, you have to unlock this character called Sucrose. As you can see, I've already unlocked this character. So after you unlock the character, you just go near a dandelion seed and then press E, like so. As you can see, now I have a dandelion seed. Press F to pick it up, and now this is added to my inventory. I'm going to show it to you once again with this one right here. This one is in my inventory too. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!